Hey guys, Jonathan here. I want to give you all a rundown and talk to you about spackle. Man, I love spackle. Ever since I became a landlord, it's been my go-to for patching small holes, especially like little nail holes and little nicks in the drywall. This stuff is great. If you don't know where to get some, I'm gonna put a link in the description. So go to the description if you need some. This is how you use it. What I like to do when I first get a can is I take the lid off, make sure it's still wet. Make sure I can get my finger in there and get a nice bloop. You don't want it too dry. Then I take the paste and I find my nail hole. So here's my nail hole right here. I'm gonna take my finger and I'm just gonna rub some of that in there. Then with my clean finger, I'm just gonna wipe it clean. Boom, that hole is now patched. It should be dry an hour or two and be ready for paint. So here's another hole below it. Same thing, take my finger, wipe it flat. Boom, it's ready for paint. So then I just go around and touch that up. And see how fast I can patch all these holes in the wall? Just put a little bit on one finger, wipe it in there. A clean hand, wipe it flat. But that's the tip. Hope it helps. Please like and subscribe, and I'll have some spackle in the description if y'all don't know where to get some. Thanks, guys.